To implement navigation in our app, we're going to use a popular library called React Navigation. You can find their documentation at reactnavigation.org. The latest version at the time of recording this video is version 5, which is kind of different from the previous versions. So let's have a quick look at the installation instructions. First, we have to install this library at reactnavigation/native. So let's copy this line, paste it in our terminal window, and here I want to add version 5. Please use the same version so you can easily follow the course. Let's go with this. So here I'm using React Navigation version 5.3.2. Now back to the documentation. We should also install a bunch of third-party libraries like React Native Gesture Handler, React Native Reanimated, and so on. Now, since we're using this in a managed Expo project, we need to install these using Expo. As you know, Expo makes sure that the version we're installing is compatible with the current version of Expo we're using. So let's copy this line, paste it in the terminal window, and install them. All right, we have installed all of these libraries. Now, if you're using this in a bare React Native project, or if in the future you decide to eject from Expo, you need to install these libraries using npm. And then you have to perform some additional steps. All of these are documented here. In React Navigation, we have 3 types of navigators. We have Stack Navigator for taking the user from one screen to another. It's very similar to the navigation built into web browsers, so we can push or pop screens from the stack. We also have Tab Navigator for implementing tabs, and Drawer Navigator for implementing a drawer that we can pull from the left side of the screen. All these navigators are very similar. They have the same interface. So once you learn how to use one of them, you can easily learn about the others. In this course, we're going to use Stack and Tab Navigators because we're going to need them in our app. So I will leave it up to you to learn about Drawer Navigator on your own. So next, I'm going to show you how to work with a Stack Navigator.